Welcome to Rome Tech. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all our latest videos. Mobiloans.com provides short-term loans, but it's crucial to understand the terms and conditions before borrowing. These loans, often referred to as payday loans, can be helpful in emergencies but come with high interest rates and fees. Borrowers need to be fully aware of the repayment schedule and the potential consequences of defaulting. It's essential to budget carefully and ensure you can repay the loan in full and on time to avoid a cycle of debt. Before considering a loan from Mobiloans.com, explore all other financial options, such as borrowing from family or friends, negotiating with creditors, or seeking assistance from local charities or government programs. These alternatives often offer more favorable terms and can help you avoid the high costs associated with payday loans. Remember, short-term loans should be a last resort due to their potentially damaging impact on your finances. Take the time to thoroughly research Mobiloans.com and compare their offerings with other lenders. Pay close attention to the annual percentage rate, April, fees, and repayment terms. Understanding these details will empower you to make informed decisions and choose the best course of action for your financial situation. Furthermore, be wary of any lender that guarantees approval without a credit check, as this can be a sign of predatory lending practices. Responsible lenders will assess your creditworthiness to ensure you can manage the loan responsibly. Finally, if you find yourself struggling with debt, consider reaching out to a certified credit counselor. They can provide valuable guidance and resources to help you navigate your financial challenges and develop a plan for long-term financial stability. Prioritize responsible borrowing and always fully understand the terms and conditions before entering into any loan agreement. Your financial well-being depends on it.